Good windy Tuesday morning to you all out there. It's been a busy morning here in the Meteorologist Mark Weather Center, I guess as you could call it. Just kind of trying to keep up with what all is going on right now. We are the forecast is looking like it's in good shape, to make a long story short. And our USA mortgage level of concern for our Tuesday is level 2. It is a Meteorologist Mark Weather Alert day because those winds are going to be absolutely howling. And just read a discussion a moment ago from the National Weather Service in Nashville where there is consideration for upgrading our wind advisory to a high wind warning. So we'll stay tuned and see if they do that. Right now, we're looking for wind gusts as high as 50 miles per hour. If we get upgraded to a high wind warning, that means there's the anticipation or even the currently occurring wind gusts to 60 miles an hour. So I say all that to say this: prepare for power outages today. There will be at least sporadic power outages across the Cumberland Plateau. Don't even think about burning anything outside today. And batten down the hatchets when it comes to all those loose objects outside. If you have not secured those yet, you better get them secured or you're going to be searching for them tomorrow because those winds are going to be kicking. USA mortgage level of concern for tonight, we go up to level 3. That's because we have the strong southerly winds. That's when they'll become their strongest, just before that front comes through. Then we have the line that could be containing strong to severe thunderstorms. And it's not going to take much to create a severe thunderstorm, which has winds of 58 miles an hour, when you've got wind gusts already exceeding 50 miles per hour already out of the south. So it's just not going to take much to get a damaging wind gust for sure. Looking at our Premier Generators threat graphic. Speaking of Premier Generators, you might be reminded of how much you wish you had one of those if your power goes out today or tonight. So hit them up if you're interested in what a generator would cost and what they can do for you. The tornado threat is still very, very low. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center doesn't even have us highlighted in a tornado threat, but I don't quite trust that 100%. So there's a lot of wind shear, a lot of change in wind speed with direction and height. It's just, are we going to be able to get enough ump to the storms to be able to pull that in and spin up a tornado? We'll see. I will say there is a very, very low, but not zero risk for a tornado. Straight line wind's the main threat. Damaging hail, not so much a threat. And flooding, not so much a threat because the system is so progressive and moving along. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us a 5-day forecast. Today, just windy. Maybe see some peaks of sun, lots of clouds, but it is windy. And then tonight is when we have the showers and the storms. That's why you see 100% chance for rain there. That's tonight. That's after dark. Highs in the low 60s this afternoon. Only dropping into the 40s tonight. Wednesday, we are another weather aware day. Winds are still gusting. This time they're getting more out of the west, gusting to 35 miles per hour. AM rain showers, and then we're going to have some PM rain mixed with snow showers, changing to some snow showers in the overnight and the early evening as temperatures tumble from the low 50s down into the 20s. Thursday, maybe some morning flurries, very early morning flurries. Most of the day is looking partly to mostly sunny. So that 50% chance for a flurry or any kind of precipitation there is in the morning. A very cold day. Highs only in the 40s with northwest winds gusting to 30. Friday, we're partly cloudy, but we got southwest winds now gusting to 25, but those get us up into the mid 50s. And then Saturday, we're back to a northwest breeze and some showers around the area. And there are some indications that we might see some wintry precipitation Saturday night into Sunday morning. I'll keep a close eye on that. Weichert Realtors bringing us that calendar outlook, and the heavy rain for Saturday night, it's looking a little less likely this morning, but I'm going to leave that on there just in case data comes back in with it again. And again, some AM light snow for that next Sunday is possible. Again, this is an extended outlook, so things can change quickly. And then the middle of next week is still looking active. On this day in weather history, 1909, though fair weather was forecast, President Taft was inaugurated amidst a furious storm. About 10 inches of wet snow disrupted travel and communications. The storm drew much criticism against the U.S. Weather Bureau. We have come a long way. Such an event like that, the Weather Service would have been all over that forecast trying to get it right. Lots of inauguration anniversaries right now. Apparently, so if you look back in history, a lot of our inaugurations used to take place this time of the year. 1953, snow was reported on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. So, wow, but that was interesting. You folks have a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday. Keep looking up. Hold that hat on tight. Tie that thing onto your head if you have to. I can sympathize. I'll keep an eye on things. I'll issue special updates on the website and app as needed. You just keep it right here to Meteorologist Mark.